we all condemn this incident, whatever has happened in UP, that how this Mayawati government is acting, because ours is a very democratic setup and media has a very important role to play. It is the fourth pillar, and role of the media is to highlight something wrong happening. And Mayawati government should have, instead of taking action against the journalists, he should have tried to take action against the people who had been involved in this act, the gruesome act of murder and in the police custody. But what exactly is happening is that this is absolutely wrong. Nobody is going to take this thing. If something like this is happening in Pakistan, one can really understand, because Pakistan has never been a strong democracy like that of our country. But Indian state is a democratic state, and here we are talking about the freedom of press. If such curbs and such incidents take place where we are trying to silence the voice of a journalist, we are trying to intimidate the journalist, that's really shameful act, and I think all of us should condemn it strongly. See, हमें यकजायती के साथ एक दूसरे के साथ शाना बशाना कंधे के साथ कंधा मिला के हमें इसे ये नहीं देखना है कि एक पर्टिकुलर जर्नलिस्ट के साथ ये हादसा हुआ है, आज उनके साथ हुआ है, कल हमारे साथ भी हो सकता है. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी यूनाइटेड एंड टुगेदर. सी, दिस इज द सेकंड इंसिडेंट दैट हैज हैपेंड इन द कंट्री. Just few days back, J-Day was silenced because he had been following certain stories about the oil mafia. Some people have been arrested today, and then this incident about this man being taken to the police custody, and they said that they are going to just file a false case against him, that they had been misbehaving with the women. So this thing can happen anywhere. I think that we all need to be very united on this front, and we need to condemn it strongly, and also ensure that the Mayawati government is going to take action against that particular erring official. That man is suspended at the earliest, because only words will not make a difference. We want really the action to be initiated, and this is not only the incident happening in UP, because this is something which even in Jammu and Kashmir also we need to take up this issue, because from day on and day out we are also facing such kind of problems here, and so we have to be united on this front. The strong action need to be initiated, because if we are not going to take action against such police officials, this is simply going to encourage the other people also, and they will also behave in such a manner. And at this point of time, all the journalists and the members of the civil society, they need to be, because it's not the issue about the journalists only, because journalists are basically eyes and ears for the society. If they are trying to highlight certain things, it's because they are making and trying to generate a kind of an awareness. So I think what actually need to be done, the people from the different section of society also come together, and they also raise their voice and ensure that the action is initiated, because if the action will not be initiated, all these people will get emboldened. And if today it has happened with IBN7 reporter, tomorrow it can happen with me also, and it can happen with you also. So we have to go for a united front, ensure that action is taken against this erring official. Only suspension also not but a very strong, because what will happen with this action, a strong message will be conveyed that from now onwards you can't do all these things, because this is totally unacceptable in a democratic society.
खासकर पिछले 10 साल से ये ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, और हर स्टेट में, चाहे वो यूपी हो, बॉम्बे हो, जम्मू कश्मीर हो, कोई भी स्टेट हो, जहाँ भी एक जर्नलिस्ट काम करता है उसके ऊपर तरह तरह के प्रेशर्स होते हैं. लेकिन अब क्या होता है कि जो बड़ा सेंटर है, बड़ा जो शहर है, जैसे बॉम्बे है या दिल्ली है, वहाँ पे एकदम से न्यूज़ बनती है. जो छोटे शहर है, जो छोटे रिपोर्टर है, छोटे अखबारों में काम करते हैं, लोकल चैनल्स में काम करते हैं, जब उन पे हैरेसमेंट होती है तो ज़्यादातर वो इतना हाईलाइट नहीं होता है. लेकिन इस बात में कोई शक नहीं है कि हर जगह जो जर्नलिस्ट है वो काफ़ी प्रेशर में काम करता है, और ख़ासकर जो एक जर्नलिस्ट है वो एक सॉफ्ट टारगेट बन जाता है. सॉफ्ट टारगेट इसलिए बन जाता है क्योंकि वो बड़ी आसानी से आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है. जो भी जर्नलिस्ट है उसके हाथ में या तो माइक है, या तो कलम है, या तो कैमरा है, तो एकदम से आइडेंटिफाई हो जाता है. तो लोग या तरह तरह की जो एजेंसीज़ है वो चाहते हैं कि वो जो जर्नलिस्ट है वो उनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आगे चलाए, वो उनके लिए काम करे. लेकिन जर्नलिस्ट जो होता है वो एक न्यूट्रल इंसान होता है, बिल्कुल ऑब्जेक्टिवली अपना काम करता है. वो ऑब्जेक्टिविटी मेंटेन करने में उसको काफ़ी प्रेशर्स का सामना करना पड़ता है. ज़रूरत है कि एक लॉ बनाया जाए ताकि जो जर्नलिस्ट है उनकी सेफ्टी के बारे में कुछ ध्यान दिया जाए, कुछ ख्याल किया जाए, और ये सिर्फ बड़े बड़े शहरों में लिमिटेड ना हो, छोटे शहरों में भी इसको एक्सटेंड किया जाए.